Are you looking for the best air fryer? In this video, we will break down the top air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, we have the calorie air fryer. The dimensions of this air fryer are 11.8 by 12.6 by 11.7 inches, and it weighs around 16.85 pounds. This air fryer by Calorie is amazing with its one-touch LED panel, allowing you to configure and choose between all the various options available. The appliance comes with 11 original presets that allow you to cook desserts, veggies, and nearly every protein in the book. A few little features that make this air fryer much easier to use are the shake reminders and the keep warm function. The shake reminder will alert you when it's time to shake the basket, so the ingredients cook evenly throughout. The keep warm function will keep your food at the perfect temperature while you wait for your guests to arrive or for when you want to eat your food slightly later. Frying foods often creates a lot of mess and requires tons of time to clean up, but with the Calorie air fryer, you can remove the baskets and then place them in the dishwasher. It's all dishwasher safe, and this will save you a lot of time and effort. The basket has a non-stick surface, so there shouldn't be much residue left behind. We tried steaks, fries, and more in the basket, and with no oil, nothing stuck. Most air fryers don't have a preheating function, but the Calorie air fryer does. This function will allow you to get the perfect golden color to your food, and it greatly improves food texture. Calorie also offers 100 original recipes with the air fryer, which is a great starter for you when you are learning how to use this appliance. The air fryer is backed by a 1-year warranty. At number 2, we have the Ninja AF101 air fryer. The dimensions of the AF101 are 13.6 by 11 by 13.3 inches, and it weighs around 4.9 pounds. This air fryer has an extra large capacity, and with a 4-quart ceramic basket, you'll be able to fit up to 2 pounds of fries. The one-touch control panel has various programmable functions to choose from, and you can also manually select the cooking time and temperature. Cleanup is easy with this air fryer. Simply detach all the accessories from inside and place them in the dishwasher. All of them are dishwasher safe. The temperature range goes from 105 degrees Fahrenheit up to 400 degrees. This allows you to remove moisture from foods quickly and creates a beautiful golden crisp with the convection heat. This air fryer works great overall and makes food with 75% less fat than traditional cooking, making it healthier and more enjoyable. At number 3, we have the GoWise USA GW22621. The dimensions of the GW22621 are 9 by 8.5 by 12 inches, and it weighs around 12 pounds. This air fryer with rapid air circulation technology can cook all your food by circulating air in all directions. It cooks fast, with less oil, and gives a beautiful crispy texture to your food. You can use the GW22621 for roasting, baking, grilling, desserts, and more. The easy-to-use large LCD touchscreen allows you to set the temperature you prefer, ranging from 170 degrees to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You can then set the timer between 1 and 30 minutes. The pan and basket inside are non-stick and are very easy to clean. The air fryer is ETL certified, so when the air fryer is removed, it will automatically turn off. At number 4, we have the Chefman Turbo Fry. The dimensions of the Turbo Fry are 14.2 by 12.8 by 12.8 inches, and it weighs around 10.14 pounds. This air fryer comes with dual dial controls that allow you to control both the time and temperature. The 60-minute integrated timer lets you easily fry a wide range of foods, from frozen vegetables, fries, meats, and even mozzarella sticks. The flat basket design allows for maximum capacity and reduces wasted counter space. This air fryer is great for smaller kitchens that need something a little more compact. All parts are dishwasher safe, so after you're done, just chuck them in and you won't need to spend time cleaning. At number 5, we have the Ultrine air fryer. The dimensions of this air fryer are 14.2 by 13.2 by 13 inches, and it weighs around 10.05 pounds. This air fryer is designed to give you the most healthy frying experience, but it does more than just that. You can also roast, bake, grill, and more, all with no oil. The LCD display is easy to use, and you can set the settings you wish. The cooking pot is fully detachable and has a scratch-free design. The advanced rapid air technology will cook your food in no time and give you an amazing crispy fried texture. So that sums up our top air fryers. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.